Every valuable man needs to cultivate this triad of empowerment to achieve excellent results, whether in their profession, romantic relationships, finances, or any area of life. Currently, we are facing an epidemic of fragile men, without a clear model of how to act in interpersonal interactions, dominated by fear of rejection and uncertainty. These are men who struggle to assert themselves and have difficulty dealing with women. We live in an era where there is an enormous amount of knowledge and information available, but at the same time, a great distraction and lack of discernment to filter out what is truly valuable and relevant. It is essential to learn to select and value the knowledge that really matters while discarding what does not contribute to personal growth. You open your cell phone when you wake up and, in a matter of seconds, have access to a variety of information, funny videos, dances, memes, and even fake news. These superficial pieces of information are a way to release dopamine in the brain, creating a sense of pleasure that can lead to addiction. They are a distraction from boredom or unpleasant tasks that you are postponing. Unconsciously, you end up spending hours a day on these apps. Recent research shows that Brazilians spend, on average, 3 to 4 hours a day on social networks. So, I ask, what are you doing here? Are you using your time to learn, grow, be more productive, develop emotional intelligence, improve your relationships, and invest in self-awareness? Or are you just wasting your time? In this video, I will present to you the triad of strength that every man needs to develop to achieve excellent results. By focusing on this triad, you can achieve extraordinary results, whether you want to or not, because there is no other way. You've probably heard that women like strong men by their side, and that's true. Even if this desire is not entirely conscious, the search for masculine strength is inherently linked to women's survival instinct. This desire dates back to primitive relationships, and science itself confirms that women seek partners with internal strength traits because they see in them the ability to protect. This phenomenon is profound, and I will explore it more deeply in this video. So, to attract and connect with a valuable woman the way you want, it's not enough to just have an impeccable body with defined muscles and a visibly strong appearance. I'll explain why. The true strength of a valuable man is based on 3 pillars: mental, physical, and spiritual. Being a strong man goes beyond physical aspects. True strength also involves mental and spiritual development. There is no point in having a robust body if the mind is weak. To achieve extraordinary results in all areas of life, whether at work, in your career, in relationships, or in material achievements, it is essential to be strong in all these aspects, physically, mentally, and spiritually. Regarding physical strength, it is important to seek more than just building muscles. As you develop your body and dedicate yourself to physical activities over time, you are redefining your concepts of pain, pleasure, physical limits, and goals. When you subject yourself to physical exhaustion constantly, you discover what you are capable of and surpass the barrier of pain and physical limits. Moreover, by taking care of your body, you send a powerful message to your brain that you are your own priority. This helps regulate your hormones, develop a sense of capability, prevent diseases, gain conditioning, enhance testosterone, and consequently, your masculine energy, preparing you for life's challenges. To illustrate, imagine the following situation: if your family were in real danger and depended on your physical strength to be saved, would you be prepared? Although it may seem like an exaggerated example today, it is a valid reflection on the importance of being physically prepared to face unexpected challenges in life. Exactly. That's the crucial point. A man doesn't just need to be physically strong, he needs to be truly strong in adverse situations. We don't know what the future holds. Today we may be safe, but if everything changes suddenly, would your body work for or against you? Now, let's talk about mental strength. Mental strength is nothing more than a strong mindset. This is primarily related to your beliefs and worldview. And do you know how this mental strength is built? Through your experiences and the environment you have been exposed to. For example, if you grew up in an environment full of conflicts, in a dysfunctional family, it may be hard to believe in relationships, right? Or think about this: imagine if you were a child marked by constant rejections, perhaps bullying or mockery. In this context, you grow up with emotional scars, and often internalize the idea that you are not worth much, not capable of much, and don't deserve much. In these circumstances, it seems almost impossible to develop a strong and confident mindset of a valuable man, doesn't it? However, I have great news for you. Neuroscience has proven brain neuroplasticity, which means you are capable of creating new neural connections, new beliefs, and a new mindset. If you dedicate yourself to it, you can build a completely different reality from what you have today. Now, pay extra attention. Your mindset is highly influenced by everything you expose yourself to. So, how do you cultivate a strong mindset, worthy of a valuable man? Be hypervigilant. Watch over this inside you as if it were the most precious thing in the world, because it is. Everything you see, hear, and with whom you speak, people, social networks, content, movies, series, music, everything you are exposed to with your eyes and ears is shaping your mindset. Mindset. This is undoubtedly one of the most powerful things, capable of enhancing or destroying. However, most people have no idea about it. Most just go on, seeing anything, choosing any movie to watch, listening to any music, relating to anyone, going to any place, and having any kind of conversation. They just live. Let me ask you something, do the people around you tend to complain and lament, or seek solutions? Do they always say things are hard, or are they constantly looking for alternatives to solve problems? What is the predominant discourse in your family, among your friends, and in the content you choose to consume on the internet? With just this information, it would be possible to make a reading about you. Yes, indeed, by analyzing the type of content you consume daily, who you talk to, and what you talk about, it is possible to make a reading about your mindset. A person's mindset, whether strong or weak, is reflected in the choices they make regarding the content they consume and the people they interact with. People with a strong mindset tend to talk to individuals who also have a strong mindset, consume content that helps them develop a stronger mindset, such as materials on time management, discipline, personal and professional improvement, instead of constantly complaining about the lack of time or life's difficulties. These people are always seeking ways to become better parents, better professionals, and progress in their careers. They are selective about what feeds their minds and only follow those who truly add value to their lives. Yes, there are powerful tools to leave weak mindset in the past and become a man with enormous mental strength. In the HDP program, Valuable and Purposeful Man, in the initial stages, we do deep work in this regard. Last but not least, we have the third pillar of the triad of strength, spirituality. Spirituality, which is the foundation of strength, is not necessarily linked to religion. Regardless of denominations, what matters is the connection with the Creator, with God, with existence, or with the universe, whatever you choose to call it. Yes, we are not capable of producing love on our own. The love you give to a woman is not something you can create by yourself, you need to receive it first from an external source. So, the truth is that you will only enter a deep state of self-love when you receive love from the Creator. This happens when you stop every day to express gratitude for being loved, for being accepted, and for having the opportunity to live another day. When you acknowledge everything done for you with gratitude and see each day as a gift, it strengthens your connection with the Creator and nurtures self-love in your heart. When you strengthen your connection with the Creator, you build the true foundation and solid structure for your self-esteem and self-confidence. In this place, you learn to love yourself deeply because you receive genuine love, not related to the superficial and fragile self-esteem that is often propagated. It is when you experience your strengthened spiritual connection that your self-confidence becomes authentic, clear, and calm. At the same time, you experience an internal strength that you never imagined possessing. Now, share in the comments your score from 0 to 10 for each element of the triad of strength, physical, mental, and spiritual. Let me know how each pillar is in your life. And if this video brought value to you, feel free to leave your like. Strong hug and goodbye.